हम चैप्टर 14 या एज स्ट्रक्चर पढ़ेंगे, चिल्ड्रन एज ग्रुप 0 to 14। ठीक है, तो द एज स्टडी ऑफ द एज स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ पॉपुलेशन हेल्प इन अंडरस्टैंडिंग टू वर्कफोर्स, डिपेंडेंट पॉपुलेशन, ओल्ड पॉपुलेशन। अकॉर्डिंग टू एज ग्रुप, population can be divided into three main group. First is the children age group जो 0 to 14 ईयर तक है। हिंदू इसका जो टोटल परसेंटेज है वो 35.61% है। यूथ एज ग्रुप जो कि 15 to 54% और 50 to 59 ईयर है, ये 58% है। और ओल्ड एज ग्रुप जो कि 60% से अधिक वाले हैं, उनका टोटल परसेंट हिंदुस्तान में 6.3। इसके बारे में अपन पढ़ेंगे। According to the census 2011 in India, 35.61% of population is the young age group, 58.1% population is the youth age group, and 6.3% population in the old age group. On the other hand, this indicate high percentage of the working population and the high dependency ratio. On the other hand, this is also indicate high rate of the growth of population in the future in India due to the higher percentage of population in children's age group. From the economical point of view, they are dependent and unproductivity, and the maximum expense are done on their food, clothing, education, health and mental facilities. India is in the third stage of the demographic transition because it is the highest natural growth rate of the population. The population is more than 29% to 0 to 14 age group. Due to the high birth rate, the population of India is the broad base of the steeply sloping side, which indicate the dynamism in the population. If the age structure of India population is the analyzed according to the age group, then the characteristic of all three age group can be seen. Children's age group 0 to 14 year of the age, the population percentage in children age group 36.5% according to the 1991 census, 35.6% in 2001 and 29.5% in 2011. Youth age group 15 to 59 year of age group, there is the 58.1% of population in 2011 and 62.5% in 2011 in this age group. This shows that the maximum part of population in the age group, this is the working population. Old age group more than the 60 year of ages, the percentage of population in this group increased from the 6.3% in 2001 to 9.0% in 2011. Still, it is much lower than that of the Western countries. About 33% of the India population is young. The population of children 0 to 6 years was especially emerged in the census 2011. The population of children is the 15 crore 87 lakh 89,287. which is the 13.12% of the total population. During the 2001 to 11, a negative growth of the 3.08% was registered in the country. In terms of the total child population, the state of the Uttar Pradesh 2 crore 97 lakh, Bihar 1 crore 85 lakh stood first and the second respectively. But in the term of the percentage of child population in the total population, the order of the state in Meghalaya 18.75, Bihar 17.90, Jammu and Kashmir 16.01%, Jharkhand 15.89, Rajasthan 15.31, Mizoram 15.17 and the Uttar Pradesh 14.90%. The lowest population percentage of children was recorded in the Tamil Nadu 9.56% and the Goa 9.57%, Kerala 9.95%. Patterns of the, now to discuss the other topic, pattern of the literacy in India. Literacy is the important indicator of the development of any civilized society. It is the influence in the natural, physical and the economic status of the population. It also indicates the economy level of the urbanization, living standard, caste structure, status of the women in society, educational facilities, means of the transportation, development of technology of the country. From the point of view, the human classical approach literacy is social aspect of the population of which criteria for the social development can be associated. In the fact, with the development of education, a person goes out of his limited environment and the established interior relation with the socio-economic and the political trend of the region. This lead only the development of a person, but the senses enter society. Factor affecting literacy. The growth and the spread of the literacy is the result of the socio-economic process of a region. The main socio-economic process are economic growth, level of the urbanization, standard of living, caste structure, status of the women in society, value system, ability of the education literacy facilities, development of means of transportation and the communication, level of technology, public policy. From table 14.6, graph 14.4 is clear that after 1961 literacy was increased rapidly. In 1961 it was at 28.30%, which increased the 74.04% in 2011. Thus the literacy was increased almost the 3 times in the 350 years. This has been possible due to the development of school, government, educational policies and the awareness of general population. Many literacy make literacy increase from the 40.40% in 1961 to 84 or 82.40% in 2011. In the same way, female literacy has increased almost the 4 times from the 15.35% to in 1961 to 65.46% in 2011. The main word is the female literacy increased very rapidly. It is relevant from the above the female literacy has increased faster than the male literacy in the country. After the 1981, the phase of literacy growth increased further. Higher increase in female literacy is due to the increase in social awareness, governmental intensity, decrease in the gender determination. State-wise literacy. On the basis of the average literacy 74.04% in the India, the state can be divided with the 2 groups. First is the state having the literacy rate above the national average. Among them, the Kerala having the highest literacy, top of the first 93.91%, Lakshadweep 92.2%, and Mizoram 91.58% have the second and third largest literacy. In the male literacy rate, the Lakshadweep 96.11% on the first place and Kerala 96.10% on the second place. Kerala 92% has the highest female literacy rate in the country. State having the literacy rate below national average. Bihar has the lowest literacy rate and among the state. The state of the Jammu and Kashmir 68.74%, Rajasthan 67.06%, Madhya Pradesh 70.63%, Uttar Pradesh 69.72%, Jharkhand 67.63%, Odisha 73.45% and Arunachal Pradesh 67%. Assam recorded the literacy rate below national average. Bihar 73.5% and the Arunachal Pradesh 73.69% has the lowest literacy rate, while Rajasthan 52.70% and Bihar 53.30% recorded lowest female literacy in India. Regional pattern of literacy. After the 1961, the literacy rate in the country has increased rapidly, but if this increase in literacy rate is studied on the regional basis, then it is observed that the regional distribution of literacy is very uneven. Analysis of the regional pattern of literacy is helpful to bring out the geographical factor of the 4 point. It is clear showing the regional pattern of the literacy and that the southern region of the coastal area had the higher literacy rate as the compared to the northern and inland area. Higher literacy rate is southern and the coastal area is due to the coastal location. Higher urbanization, specialization, economy, improved the agriculture practice and the early start of education by the British. On the contrary, there is a low literacy rate in the area, having the backward agriculture economy, low level of the urbanization and the low level of the industries development. Next, the last topic is language. After the independence, the state were recognition of the basis of the language in India. स्वतंत्रता के बाद जैसे देश का इंडिपेंडेंट मिला 1947 में कुछ देशों को कुछ स्टेट्स को अकॉर्डिंग टू लैंग्वेज उसकी बाउंड्रीज डिसाइड की गई. दिस गेव ए न्यू आइडेंटिटी ऑफ द ज्योग्राफिकल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन पैटर्न ऑफ डिफरेंट लैंग्वेज. इंडिया इज ए कंट्री ऑफ linguistic diversity according to the Grierson, according to the survey has done between the 1903 and 1928, 97 language and the approximately 544 dialects are spoken by people by India. According to 1967 census, there are the 1018 different language and dialects spoken by the different region of our society. In the Indian Constitution, 22 languages are scheduled. भारतीय संविधान के अनुसार 22 भाषाओं को संवैधानिक दर्जा प्राप्त है. On the basis of their origin, the Indian language and dialects can be classified into the four language family: Indo-European, Dravidian, Sino-Tibetan, or Austro-Asiatic. 98% language of country belong to the first two language family. It means the Indo-European and Dravidian. The relative importance of the language has undergone a change. Until 9th century, Sanskrit was the administrative language, but nowadays this language is hardly spoken in North India. Although it is ruled or true that the Sanskrit is the mother of all Indian language, but during the Muslim period, Urdu and the Persian got importance. During the British period, English took the place of the Urdu and the Persian as the official administrative language in 18th century. After the independence, Hindi is the spoken and the understood in most part of the India. Hindi became the most popular language and the national language of India. Hindi is the third most popular language in the world after the English and Chinese. Mandarin is the language of the 337.3 million people. The other major languages spoken in India are the Bengali, Telugu, Marathi, Tamil, Urdu, Gujarati. The other important language of India, the Kannada, Malayalam, Odia, Punjabi, Asmi. The language spoken by less than the 1% are the Sindhi, Manipuri, Konkani, Kashmiri, Sanskrit and Nepali. Although in the state of organization or recognition of the basic of language, major of the population speak one language, but people who speak other language also have the effective presence there. For example, Tamil speaking people in the Kerala, Telugu speaking people in Tamil Nadu, Urdu speaking people in Andhra Pradesh have the effective presence. At present, Hindi along with the English is given the special importance in official administrative work. English has the special place in the non-Hindi speaking state, especially the southern part, the southern state. Language is the main indicator of the identity of the ethnic group. According to the census 2011, Hindi is the mother tongue of the 48.69%, 48.69 crore people. It means the 40.22%. On the basis of the major language, India can be divided into 4 linguistic regions. Religious composition. An important aspect of the India population is its religious composition. It has the effect on the social, economic and political aspect of the society. India is the homeland of 4 major regional religions of the world: Hindu religion, Buddhism religion, Jainism and Sikhism. हिंदू, सिख, जैन और बौद्ध, इन धर्मों का उद्गम भारत में ही हुआ है. Developed and the flourished in India and the spread to the different countries of the world, Hindu religion is the most dominant religion in India even today, whose origin can be traced before or back to the pre-Vedic period on the basis and the given in the name of the Hindustan. The religious composition of population is the generally modified in India due to the partition of the India into the India and the Pakistan 1970. Large scale migration of people took place which had to effect on the religious composition of population here. Before the partition, out of the total population of this subcontinent, 66.5% were Hindu and the 23.7% were Muslim. After the partition, the ratio of Hindu and Muslim population become 84.1% of and the 9.8% respectively. It is clear from the census of India 1951 and after the 1951 ratio of Hindu population its total population has decreased, where the ratio of Muslim population in the total population has increased. In 1961, Hindu population was the 83.4%, which decreased to 80.5% in 2011, where the percentage of the Muslim population increased from the 10.7% to 13.4% during this period. In 2011, out of the total population, 79.56% flow Hindu religion in India. Himachal Pradesh 95.43% has the highest and the Mizoram 3.55% has the lowest percentage of Hindu population. Whereas according to the census 2011, out of the total population 14.31 are followers of the Islam, yani Muslim. The maximum concentration of Muslim is the Lakshadweep 94.92%, Jammu Kashmir 66.97% and the minimum in Mizoram 1.14%. In terms of the population, highest number of Muslims reside in Uttar Pradesh, followed by the relative and Bihar. The racial, the ethnic composition was removed our syllabus, so we not study on this topic. Thank you. Chapter 14 is completed.